Many people have a problem with clothing irons getting dirt on their feet. In that case, do not try to scrape the foot using tools to remove the dirt. Paracetamol tablets available in every home can be used to remove dirt from the feet under clothing irons. After turning on the clothes iron and heating it well, rub the paracetamol tablets on the dirt stuck to the bottom of the clothes iron. Gradually rub the paracetamol tablets from one side to the other side when the paracetamol tablets start to melt due to heat. The dirt stuck to the bottom of the clothes iron also starts to melt and come off. Wipe off the melted dirt from time to time with a clean cloth. By doing this several times, you can clean your cloth iron beautifully like a new cloth iron. Thanks for watching the video and thanks again for subscribing.